Good morning guys, and in front of me is Samsung S25 FE, and let me show you how to block a number. So first of all, open your phone dialer. Now go to contacts, choose the one that you wish to block, mark info, and now select more. If you wish to block this particular contact, just mark block contact, confirm, and that's it. But also you can open general blocking rules. To do it, just open your phone dialer, tap on the more icon, and enroll settings. Under settings you will notice block numbers, and here you can either add some phone number manually. You can choose from mark plus to do it. You can choose from recents, from contacts. As you can see, the previously blocked contact is over here as well. Then you can also block all colors, like all unknown colors, by using the stop indicator. To remove some number from your blacklist, just mark minus. And that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave a thumbs up.